Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com.
Are you looking for a luxurious 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhouse unit? This is it. This unit is located in the cool hills of Manchester, overlooking the parish. This unit is modern, luxurious, and family oriented. This unit is perfect for a couple starting out or as an investment opportunity. It comes with floor space of 2,000 square feet, located only 4 minutes from the center of the town and walking distance from the newly built Sovereign Center, fast food restaurants, shopping malls, and so much more. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 360,000 or Jamaican $55.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.